How to enable airplane mode on Android. This tutorial shows you a couple of quick ways to turn it on without digging through settings. First, the fastest way is through your quick settings panel. Swipe down twice from the top of your screen to fully expand it. From there, look for the airplane mode tile and tap it to turn it on instantly. Following this, if you don't see it in your quick settings panel, tap the pencil icon to enter edit mode. Then find the airplane mode tile from the available buttons below and drag it up into your active quick settings. After that, tap Done to save your layout, and the tile will be there every time you swipe down from now on. From here, another quick way to enable it is by pressing and holding the power button to bring up the power menu. At this point, you'll see an airplane mode option directly in that menu. Tap it to toggle it on or off without even opening settings. Finally, if you want to set it up through settings directly, open the Settings app, tap Connections, and tap the toggle next to airplane mode from there. That's how you enable airplane mode quickly on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.